Dukusaba nti ensonga y'erwaliro okolebwe ku mangu kubanga ensonga eri babisa bubi woodi bali tubamugamu abasaadde n'abakyala kandi tukusaba nti ebe priority byonna tubyetaagaye ensonga eyo ndikusaba gikolere ku bwangu.
It has got 54 government primary schools and 7 government secondary schools. Clarity is very important for you, the leaders, and our supporters. On the roads,
Kungudo,
you want us to tarmac Nawangisa, Busesa, Nachirubi, Wodire, Bunyontore, Iganga. Road I did not. Most of the roads I work on, I have them in my head because I passed there when I was fighting. But this one, I did not know. I did not know it. So this is new information which I will follow up. Then electricity, I have seen here all the sub-counties up to the headquarters have electricity. Maybe it has not reached all the villages, but that will come later. Because NRM, a cholera plan.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.